Dear students, welcome in science class. Class 9, Unit 15, Chemical fertilizers used in agriculture. Topics: fertilizer, types of fertilizer, organic fertilizer, green organic fertilizer, animal organic fertilizer, advantages of organic fertilizer, disadvantages of organic fertilizer, inorganic fertilizer, advantages of inorganic fertilizer, disadvantages of inorganic fertilizer, examples of chemical fertilizer, importance of chemical fertilizer, precautions on using chemical fertilizer. Fertilizer. The chemical compound or element added in the soil to increase the fertility of soil is called fertilizer. Types of fertilizer: organic fertilizer, inorganic fertilizer, organic fertilizer. The fertilizer obtained by the decomposition of remaining part of dead plants and animals is called organic fertilizer. Green organic fertilizer. The fertilizer prepared by cutting and decomposing green plants under the soil is called green organic fertilizer. Animal organic fertilizer. The fertilizer prepared by dumping dead animals in a pit is called animal organic fertilizer. Advantages of organic fertilizer: it increases the water holding capacity of soil. It increases the fertility of soil. It does not increase the acidity of soil. It controls the environmental pollution. It supplies mega nutrients as well as micronutrients needed for plant. It produces healthier vegetables and fruits. Disadvantages of organic fertilizer. It is needed in large amount. Its collection and transportation is difficult. Inorganic fertilizer. The fertilizer prepared by mixing different types of chemicals is called inorganic fertilizer. The fertilizer which supplies balanced amount of nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium to the plant is called NPK fertilizer. NPK fertilizer is called complete fertilizer because it supplies nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium needed for the plant. Advantages of inorganic fertilizer. It is easy to collect, transport and use it. It is soluble in water, so plants can absorb easily. Special types of nutrients are present. It increases the fertility of soil. Disadvantages of inorganic fertilizer. It pollutes the environment because it is non-biodegradable. It increases acidity or basicity of the soil. Nitrogen fertilizer. Ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, urea. Deficiency of nitrogen. Symptoms: leaves become yellow, flower, fruit and seed becomes small. Importance of nitrogen. It helps for the growth of the plant. It helps to prepare chlorophyll. It helps for increasing crop production. It helps to prepare protein and protoplasm. Phosphorus fertilizer. Ammonium phosphate, amorphous, calcium superphosphate, bone meal. Deficiency of phosphorus. Symptoms: root of plant cannot develop, cell division will be passive. Importance of phosphorus: it helps for development of roots. It helps to mature crops and seeds. It helps to prevent from disease. Potassium fertilizer. Potassium chloride, potassium nitrate, potassium sulfate, potassium carbonate. Deficiency of potassium. Symptoms: leaf of plant dries, small plant dies or dries. Importance of potassium: it makes stem and root strong. It increases the immunity power of the plant. It helps to develop flowers of plant. It helps to prepare starch and protein. Precautions for using chemical fertilizer: acidity and basicity of soil should be checked. Excess fertilizer should not be used. It should not be mixed with water sources. Nose and mouth should be properly covered during its use. Impacts of chemical fertilizer in environment: number of algae grown, use of the oxygen of water. Due to deficiency of oxygen, aquatic animal dies.